Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the subatomic subspecies. Sorry, I'm making sure I get the right pen going on here. All right, we're good to go. We need to calculate these. Looks like we have fractions with negative exponents, and we have all numbers. So we need to basically evaluate more than a calculate. Well, it's the same move most of the time. So here we go. We have 6 over 2 to the negative 1. So we got to do a rewrite here. So remember, a negative exponent means it doesn't want to be on that side of the fraction bar, so we got to move it to the other side. So that would be a 6 times 2 over a 1. So basically 6 times 2 over 1 means this thing turns into a 12. All right, that's not too bad. Next one, we have a 3 over a 3 to the negative 2. This negative 2 means that this 3 does not want to be on the bottom side of the fraction bar, so we need to move it up. So if we rewrite it, if everything vacates from the bottom, you can put a 1 down there. You don't really have to because nothing really happens. But if everything leaves the top, so like let's imagine we had like, I don't know, 5 to the negative 1, and there was a 2 on the bottom. That would turn into a 1 over 2 times 5, which would be a 1/10. All right, so if everything vacates the top, you need to put a 1 on top. If everything vacates the bottom, it's okay to put a 1 on the bottom, but you won't really need it in the end. So anyway, we have 3 times 3 to the second power. Whoops, got ahead of myself. 3 to the second power, there we go. That's basically 3 times 3 times 3, so it's 27, I think. There you go. 27, not too bad. All right, last one. Oh, we got a whole bunch of stuff. This one I'm definitely going to rewrite. I think it's best practice just to rewrite the ones that are negative. Put them where they are happy. So here we have 2 to the negative 1. You're going to become just a regular 2 on the bottom. Because remember, anything to the first power, especially when it's a number, is just, well, that number. So this 2 to the negative 1 moves to the bottom. The 6 to the negative 2 moves up. So you become a 6 squared up here. We have a 4 squared on top. And then we also have a times 7 on top. This is going to be kind of top heavy. Holy cow. All right, let's rewrite. So the 2 stays a 2, 6 squared is 36, 4 squared is 16, and then 7 is 7. So when you take 36 times 16 times 7, you get, holy cow, 4,032 over 2. So let's divide that by 2 and see what we get. Oh, 2016. Nice. All right, that is the subatomic subspecies. Excuse me. You basically want to take any numbers that have a negative exponent and move them to the other side of the fraction bar because that's the rule with negative exponents. They don't want to be on that side of the fraction bar. They want to move to the other side. That's where they are happy and positive, and then you can do things with them. So that's about all I got. We'll see you in class.